Hey everybody, I am back with a fun Dollar Tree haul. So I want to show this to you. I've got quite a few hauls and things that I have gotten through probably the last couple months online and curbside. And I just want to share these with you. And we got a puppy, so it's like having a new baby. And I'm talking low because she's sleeping, and she sleeps very lightly. And it's very hard for me to get anything done, so please forgive me. I will get everything done. I forgot how much they're like baby. She's only 2 months old, so everything is going smooth, but it's just, you just can't sit down like you would if, you know, the dogs were older. So I'm going to do my haul for you. Okay, I got a couple of the square. Now, I've never seen these before. The square wreath form. I always saw just the heart or the Christmas stocking, the round one, but never the square. So I'm going to do a DIY with those. And then in the craft corner, aisle, whatever you want to call it, I got these two little palettes, and these are going to go perfect with either lemon or bee theme. But these are just perfect. Now they're little. I mean, they're like a 4x6, but they're so cute. And then I found this over in with the dishes, but I'm not going to use it as a tray per se for the kitchen, but I will show you where I'm going to put it and what I'm going to do with it. Then I was shocked at these flowers. Look how big this flower is. Look how big. I mean, it's the size of my hand. I mean, it needs to be, you know, fluffed a little bit, but nevertheless, I got 3 of those. Well, actually, that's all they had left. But these were the Peonies. And I got them in this white, well, it's kind of a cream. And then they had these little spider plants. Look at that. For $1. So I'll be doing something with that as well. And then I got another one of these daisies. I just picked these up when I see them because they're not there all the time. So this is perfect also for summer. And then I got the hydrangeas, these little green ones, because these will be perfect for something that I'm going to be doing shortly. And then a couple of these. I thought these would be really perfect with the bee theme. They had these little boxes, and I'm going to do a DIY with that one that had a heart and one with a flower. So I thought that was cute, and it's a little drawer. And then they had red, white, and blue pails, and they had some, I think, it was like a boho type print, but I just got a white one. I got some of these cups, and I'm going to be doing a DIY with these as well. Okay guys, I got one more lemon cup because if I remember right, I got 4, but I needed 5 for my mug tray if I decide to put it up. And then I could never find enough of these placemats. And I am so excited to have them. Make some stuff. I'm going to do some DIYs with these as well. Then I got the little plastic plates because I'm going to do a DIY with these. And some of this burlap ribbon, the green. And another package of the jute. And I just pick this up whenever I see it. Couple more styrofoam blocks. And this is hit and miss all the time with mine. But I got the LED lights because these work so good. I'm not kidding. But like I said, there was just one, and it was just randomly sitting on a table. It's the weirdest thing. And I got some of these sponges, and I think I'm going to do a DIY with these as well. Then I got some of these little wooden cubes, and I have an idea of what I'll use some of them for. Don't have a real clear idea on a lot, but there's one thing I thought I would use these for. Then I got some of the floral wire in the, it's kind of a yellowish gold. And then I'm going to try these paintbrushes. I'm not holding my breath. I wouldn't be surprised if the hairs of the bristles come out, but it's worth a try for $1. Then I got one of these cubes because I want to see if it's the same size as the ones I have in my craft room, and if they are, I might change them out. If not, it's not a big deal. I can use this for storage. Got black sand, so I'm excited about that. So you'll see what I'm going to be doing with this as well. Then I got a couple of these. These are so pretty. They're beveled, and they're like an Irish coffee cup, but they only had a couple. So I got two of these actually. If they would have had 4, I would have got 4. And they had Mod Podge. Remember last time I went, they didn't? And they had gloss and matte. So hip hip. And I only got these because there was not that many, and I wanted to let other people be able to get some too. So, but anyway, I was happy that I got that. Okay, a couple more things. They had these little wooden little trays, and you could do all kinds of things with this actually. I have a couple ideas. I only bought one, but I have an idea for it. Then, I never saw these before. You know how they have the trash cans like this and those littler ones? Well, these are more like, almost like a strawberry basket or a fruit basket, if you will. I mean, you could use it for. So I got 2 white and I got 2 black. I think I know what I'm going to do with that. And then I got this cutting board, and I'm going to do a DIY with this as well. And then they had these, and I kept contemplating, and they only had a couple left. And I kept thinking, what the heck? But I'm pretty sure I know what I'm going to do with this too. I'll alter this little foo-foo glass. And then I was very excited to find this. So I bought 2, and I'm going to do a DIY with this that I saw. And there was only 4 left. When I turned around to go back and get this, these were gone completely. So I'm glad I got them. That is my Dollar Tree haul. And like I said, there will be DIYs, but I just got taken back a little bit because of the puppy. But, you know, we're acclimating, and it's only been a couple days, so I will be back doing my DIYs. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.